Outsourcing has become an essential strategy in civil engineering as firms face growing pressure to deliver projects faster, more efficiently, and with greater technical sophistication. Tighter deadlines, complex environmental regulations, and the rising demand for advanced deliverables such as 3D modeling make it increasingly difficult for companies to rely solely on internal resources. In this environment, outsourcing provides a way to manage costs, gain access to specialized expertise, and adapt quickly to fluctuations in project workload. Despite these advantages, long-term dependence on outsourcing is not without risks. One of the most significant concerns is the gradual loss of in-house capability. When every technical task is entrusted to external providers, internal teams may lose the skills and experience needed to handle challenges independently. This erosion of expertise can limit a company's ability to innovate and reduce resilience when urgent or unexpected issues arise. Another challenge is quality control. Outsourcing providers often operate with different processes or standards, and without strong oversight, the result can be inconsistent deliverables, rework, and delays that strain client relationships. Firms must also consider the risk of misaligned priorities. While a client may emphasize innovation or sustainability, a partner might focus primarily on speed and cost, leading to tensions that undermine collaboration. On top of this, outsourcing raises questions of confidentiality, since civil engineering projects involve sensitive information and proprietary designs that must be safeguarded with the highest level of professionalism. These concerns do not mean outsourcing should be avoided. On the contrary, they underline the importance of choosing the right partner and developing a relationship built on trust, shared values, and long-term vision. AXA Engineers exemplifies how outsourcing can be transformed into a source of strength rather than risk. AXA Engineers has provided civil engineering and CAD services to numerous firms in the United States, building a reputation for precision, reliability, and professionalism. With a team of more than 80 engineers working across 3 offices, the company delivers comprehensive solutions at every stage of the design process, from initial sketch plans and master plans to construction drawings and as-built documentation. A key strength of AXA Engineers is the integration of advanced digital tools into every project. The company combines Autodesk Civil 3D with platforms such as InfraWorks, Dynamo, Storm, and Sanitary Analysis, and Autodesk Construction Cloud to create a unified environment where design accuracy is maintained and collaboration flows seamlessly. This approach minimizes costly conflicts, accelerates decision-making, and ensures that projects meet both technical requirements and regulatory standards. By blending cutting-edge technology with deep industry expertise, AXA Engineers allows design firms to execute complex projects with greater efficiency and confidence. What makes AXA Engineers stand out is not only the technical capacity but also the consistency of its approach. Projects are delivered with a balance of precision and flexibility, ensuring that firms in the United States can rely on the partnership to strengthen their operations without losing control of their own strategic direction. Instead of creating dependency, AXA Engineers enhances the capability of its partners, offering stability in times of fluctuating workloads and expanding opportunities for firms that aim to take on more ambitious projects. The long-term view of outsourcing in civil engineering shows that risk does exist, but it is not inevitable. Over-reliance becomes a problem when outsourcing is treated as a short-term fix, or when partnerships are formed without alignment in values and standards. When collaboration is built carefully with a trusted partner such as AXA Engineers, outsourcing becomes an extension of a firm's capacity rather than a replacement of its strengths. It evolves from a cost-saving tactic into a strategic tool that improves quality, enhances efficiency, and creates sustainable growth. The future of civil engineering will depend on the ability of companies to balance internal expertise with external collaboration. Outsourcing, when managed poorly, can weaken a business. When managed well, and when entrusted to a partner that operates with professionalism and integrity, it becomes a path to resilience and long-term success. AXA Engineers demonstrates that the real question is not whether outsourcing is risky, but how it is managed. With the right partnership, outsourcing is not a vulnerability. It is a competitive advantage.